Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 150 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ومن حيث خرجت فول وجهك شطر المسجد الحرام. For wow, circle your lips. For yes, so for wow, you're circling your lips. The makhraj of wow is just to circle your lips. Don't use your teeth to touch the lower lip. No, it's a wrong way to say wow. Wow, you just have to circle your lips. And for fatha, open your jaws. Wa mean for kasra, give e sound, and noon will get idhar here because after noon second there is ha, and ha is among throat letters. All throat letters will get idhar. Wamin, and noon will get the wasat too. Wamin hay, hay. For fatha, open your jaws. Ha should be from your throat and attached with ya. This is harf leen, and leen has to be 2 counts long. 2 counts long, and it should be very soft. Hay. For fatha, open your jaws, give a nice time on fatha, and then softly join with ya. Hay. Hay. Tu. For dhamma, circle your lips, and the sound is very short. Kho. Kho is heavy, and the sound is short. For fatha, open your jaws. Kho. Raji. For ra is heavy and attached with jim. Jim will get qalqala whenever kutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala. Kharaji. Ta. Ta is short. Fa. Make sure you bring hums in every fa. Wherever you will find fa in any condition, you are giving hums, and hums is a flow of breath. So you will put your upper 2 teeth on the lower lip and give a nice blow, and that is hums. You will give a flow of breath. This sound should be there. F, walli. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, attached with lam. Fawal. And for kasra, li is short. Fawalli waji. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with jim. Jim will get qalqala. Waji. Ha. Ha is short. Ka short. Wajihaka shaqo. Sheen is short. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with ta. Ta is heavy and will get sifa of qalqala. Kutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala. And qalqala is taba'ud. You close the makhraj very well, and then you will let it go, and that sound will bring will create qalqala. Shaq. Ra will be heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy. This heavy ra sounds like a ra. This should be the sound. A roll, and lam will get sifa of tawassut. Lin Umar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Shata, roll, mas. For fatha, open your jaws. It's not mas, it's mas, mas. And sin will get rakhawa. It will get safir. It is light, so the sound should flow. Masji. For kasra, give e sound. Dal will be attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and make sure you shouldn't disturb this kasra. When kasra is being attached with the letter coming up, we tend to make it like majhul. Be careful about it. If we are giving it e sound, still we are giving it the e sound of kasra. G, deal, D, deal, ha is short. Ra, متعرض للسكون. Ra will be heavy because ra has fatha, and it will be this is متعرض للسكون because you are giving temporary sukoon on meme because of the waqf, and if there is a this before temporary sukoon there is a long vowel, then you will change its two counts into four counts. Then this is called mad arid للسكون. حرام وحيث ما كنتم فولوا وجوهكم شطره لئلا يكون للناس عليكم حجة إلا الذين ظلموا منهم فلا تخشوهم واخشوني ولأتم نعمتي عليكم ولعلكم تهتدون. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. حيث ma is two counts long. Kuntum for dhamma, circle your lips. And there's ikhfa, and this is ikhfa, light ikhfa, because the ta is a light letter, so it is creating light ikhfa. Kuntum. So why any ikhfa is heavy or light? When a heavy letter of ikhfa will come, the ikhfa will be heavy, and if there is a light letter of ikhfa, then the ikhfa will be light, and the light ikhfa, mostly the tongue will be in a straight position when you are making light ikhfa. Kuntum. The sound. What are the steps of ikhfa? To make ikhfa, you are going towards the makhraj of the next letter. You are not pronouncing noon, and you are keeping the sound in your nose. Kuntum for dhamma, circle your lips, and mim will get sifa of tawassut. Fa for fatha, open your jaws. Wallu, fawallu. For dhamma, circle your lips, and you are making it two counts long. Yes. Wu for wow, circle your lips, and for dhamma, circle your lips too. And the sound is short. Wu. Ju is two counts long. There are three long vowels in Quran, and those are alif, and before alif you find fatha, ya, and before ya you find kasra, waw sakina, and you find dhamma before it. These are the only natural mudud in Quran. So this is ظلموا. Okay, wujuh. ظلموا. Dha is short, la is short. Okay, so li'alla. Wuju. Ju is two counts long. Ha is short. Kum for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with meme, and meme will get sifa of tawassut. Lin Umar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut. Wujuhakum. Shaqo and ta will get qalqala, and this is a heavy letter. And shaqo. Rahu. Ra is short, but the sound is heavy. Whenever ra is filled fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy, and heavy ra sounds like ra, ra, hu is two counts long, li short, and the kasra sound shouldn't be disturbed and for any reason. Li should stay li, and the sound is short. Al hamza is very sharp, pinchy sound. And it is from the last part of your throat, and the sound is short and attached with lam. Al, it's a very sharp sound. It's not from your mouth, okay? It's from the last part of your throat. Al, la is two counts long. Yeah, Yeah, it's a very soft sound. Your middle of your tongue is raising towards the palate, but it's not touching. So the sound should be soft. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is soft and short. Yeah, ku is 2 counts long. Na is short. Yakuna, lean for kasra. Give e sound and attach with noon. Even though you are attaching with noon, it will not. The sound of e should not be dropped. This should stay e. Lee, lean, and you're giving one over here, and Gunna is keeping the sound in your nose. Lin, and this is a long vowel, so it will be 2 counts long. Lin, si. Si is short. I, I'm from your throat. Lay, lay is 2 counts long. This is mud. This is harfi, and you have to give very nice sound fatha. uh, give a little longer time, attach with ya, and that will take a time too. So it will take 2 counts long. Lay, lay, kum. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut. They know what are the letters whenever these are with sukoon, and meme is one of them, will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Alaykum, hujja. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with jim. And fatha is a very short sound here. Hujja, tun. For dhamma, circle your lips. And there is idhar, because after tanween you find what this is, throat letter. So which throat letters we have in total? These are kha, ghain, ha, ain, and hamza and ha. These are the 6 throat letters. This is from your upper throat. These 2 are from your lower throat, and these 2 are from the middle throat, and these 2 are from lower throat. Upper throat, middle throat, and lower throat. So whenever any of these letters come after tanween or noon sakin and tanween will be pronounced very clearly, and this will get sifa of tawassut too. Hujjatun illal. Hamza is a very sharp sound. Give e sound on kasra. Il, illal, and attach with lam. La is short. Fatha is short. The 2 counts long. Na. Why this is 2 counts long? Because this is part of natural uh, naturally long vowels. These are the 3 long vowels, and this is one of them. Look. Okay. T is 2 counts long. إلا الذين ظلموا منهم. The is 2 counts long. إلا الذين. Na is short. Although, so the is a heavy letter, and the sound is short. The, la is short. Mu, 2 counts long, because this is part of these naturally long vowels. ظلموا min. For kasra, give e sound. Noon will get sifa of tawassut, because this is idhar. Noon, after noon sakin you find ha, and ha is among throat letters, and you will give idhar on noon, and you will give sifa of tawassut. The rule will be idhar, the sifa will be tawassut. Minhum for Dhamma, circle your lips, attach with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut. Whenever and lin umar are the letters, whenever these are with sukun, will get sifa of tawassut. Minhum fa. Fa is hams letter. You will give hams whenever you will see fa, and hams is a flow of breath. Fa la la is 2 counts long. Ta for fatha, open your jaws, attach with kha. Kha is a heavy letter and it will get a sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is a flow of sound. Shaw, shaw is lean. Hum for the circle your lips, attach with meme, and meme will get sifa of tawassut. The show will be 2 counts long because this is lean. You're attaching sheen with wow very softly. The shawhum. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with kha. Kha will get sifa of rakhawa. So the sound should flow. Wah, wah. There shouldn't be any dragging sound into it, but it's rakhawa. Wah, show for fatha, open your jaws, attach with wow, and it is 2 counts long and it is lean, so you are making it very soft. Shao ni is 2 counts long, this because this is part of these naturally long vowels. Ni, wah, shao ni, wa. For wow, circle your lips. And for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very soft. Wa, li is short. U for dhamma, circle your lips. Tim for kasra, give e sound. Always remember every kasra will get e sound, no matter what is going around it. T, team, and there will be unna whenever you find meme and noon with the tashdid. You will give akmal unna, and that is complete unna. You are keeping sound in your nose for a longer period of time. Wali utim. This is gunna, and for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Ma, ti, nia. For kasra, give e sound, attach with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Whenever these lin umar are the letters, whenever these are with sakun, will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Ni'ma, ma is short. 2 counts long. Ain from your throat. Lay, this is 2 counts long because this is lean, harf lean. Whenever ya or wow are with sakun and it has fatha before it, these 2 combinations are lean. So you are making 2 counts long and you are making it very soft. Alaykum for dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you touch meme, your lips should be in a normal, natural, straight position. And meme will get sifa of tawassut. Kum, wa. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. La, short. Wala, al, ain from your throat and attach with lam. And for fatha is a very short. Wala, al, kum. For dhamma, circle your lips. For meme, give tawassut. Kum, tah. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is a flow of sound. Ta, ta is short. Dul. This is mad arid lis sakun. Whenever you give temporary sakun because of the waqf, if you find 2 counts long vowel before it, you will make it 4 counts. So this is mad arid lis sakun. تهتدون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.